Okay, here's just a little quick review on dividing by monomials that you can look at before our test. So when we divide by monomials, the thing to remember is to separate all of the terms on the numerator by the denominator. So if we have 4x cubed, we'll say minus 2x, and we're going to divide that by x. We need to separate each term in the numerator and put it separately over the denominator. And just remember, the sign goes with the number. So we're going to separate this out, and we're going to get 4x cubed over x, and then we are going to have negative 2x over x. So we can separate everything out. Then we follow our power rules. Okay, from here, it is our power rules. And our power rule for division says to subtract the exponent. Okay, so if I slide this up a little bit more, we can subtract the exponents, and we get 4. This is x cubed minus 1. It's understood the exponent is 1. And then over here we're going to have negative 2, and this is x. We have 1's on both of these, so 1 minus 1. And we end up with 4. 3 minus 1 is 2. Here, let's simplify this a little bit. Our positive and negative is just going to give us a negative 2. This is 0, so we get x to the 0. And we've said x to the 0, anything to the 0 is just 1, so we don't need to write that one down. So separate each term in the numerator and put it over the denominator. Then follow your power rules. Let's try one more with some bigger numbers here. So we're going to try, let's change up the color maybe. Let's go 30 y to the 4th plus, we'll say 15 y cubed, and we're going to divide that by 5y squared. Okay, and you know what? That green is really just not showing up, so I'm going to switch back. Tried to get fancy, not working. Okay, so the goal we said was to separate each term in the numerator and put it over the monomial in the denominator. So each term, so we're going to say 30y to the 4th, that will be over 5y squared, and plus, this is plus 15, so again, 2 pluses, we don't have to worry about putting the other plus sign, and over 5y squared. Alright, so we've separated it out. Now, what's a little different with this one is we do have some numerical expressions in both of them. Right? We have the 30 and the 5 here. So we're going to, just like we did in multiplying, we're going to separate out and work with the numbers separately and then the variables. So we're going to separate these out, and we're going to end up with 30 over 5. And this is y to the 4th over y squared. Plus, on the right-hand side, 15 over 5. This is y cubed over y squared. And we're multiplying these, so if you want to put the little multiplication in there, you can. And go through our, put a little equal sign there. Let's go through our calculations. 30 divided by 5 is going to give us 6. We're going to subtract the exponents. So this becomes 4 minus 2. Over here, work with the numbers. 15 divided by 5 is 3. And we're going to get y. Let's subtract the exponents. 3 minus 2. So our final solution, 6y, this is squared, plus 3y. That was to the 1, and we don't need to write the 1. So we have divided a binomial by a polynomial. All right, so I hope that helps, and we'll talk to you soon.